Love YouTube Shorts, a way to browse, watch, and create short-form videos from a smartphone in 60 seconds or less? In this video, we'll go over how to watch and engage with Shorts when using YouTube on your TV. To use the Shorts on TV experience, you'll need a smart TV, gaming console, or streaming device. Please note that this experience may not work on some devices released before 2019. First, let's go over where you can find Shorts on TV. Open the YouTube app on your TV, then navigate down the homepage to the Shorts shelf. There, you'll see a panel of recommended Shorts for you to view. Another way to find Shorts on TV is through a creator's channel. Start by searching for the creator you like to watch. Next, go to the creator's channel by clicking on their profile icon. Then, navigate down to the Shorts shelf to see all of the creator's Shorts. Now, let's talk about how to watch and engage with Shorts on your TV. Select the short you like to watch. Next, use your remote to start or stop the short by clicking directly on the short. You can also use the play or pause buttons on your remote to start or stop the short. Once you start the short, it'll continue playing until you advance to the next short. Then hit the right button on your remote to check out info on the short, like the title, the creator, and what sound is being used. Finally, scroll down to see your next short or scroll up to see the previous short. To learn more about watching Shorts on your TV, check out the article in the description. Thanks for watching.